friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be making basic South Indian coconut chutney in Tamil style. There are so many variations of making this chutney. Each region has its own style, and this is one amongst them. So let's start with the ingredients. Here I am using half cup of freshly grated coconut, 3 green chilies, tamarind, ginger, 1 tablespoon of chana dal. So here I'll add half cup of freshly grated coconut in a mixer jar. Then add 3 green chili. Then add tamarind, a small size of tamarind. Then add small piece of ginger. Don't add too much or else it will change the taste of the chutney. This much is enough. Then add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Then add salt. Add little water and grind it for 1 minute. After half minute, open the lid and add little water. Then again grind it for another half minute. Grind it for total 1 minute. Let's open. Transfer this in a bowl. Here the coconut chutney is almost done. Now let's give the tempering for this chutney. Add oil. Add mustard seeds and Urad dal. Then add onion and curry. Saute it till it turns brown. Now turn off the flame and transfer this in the chutney. Now mix it. Here the simple chutney is ready to serve with hot and crispy dosa. This is one type of method. You can also use peanuts as a substitute of roasted chana dal. This is very simple and quick recipe which goes well with any South Indian breakfast like Idli, Vada, Pongal, Uttapam and many more. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.